Hi everyone, welcome back to the react.js tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about React Lifecycle Methods. React web apps are actually a collection of independent components which run according to the interaction made with them. Every React component has a life cycle of its own. Life cycle of a component can be defined as the series of methods that are invoked in different stages. A React component can go through mainly three stages: mount, mounting, updating, and unmounting. Okay, mounting is the stage of rendering the JSX returned by the render method itself. All right, and updating is the stage when the state of a component is updated and the application is repainted. All right. And finally, unmounting. Unmounting is the final step of the component lifecycle where the component is removed from the page. Okay. All right. Let's see how we can use this React lifecycle methods in our project. So switch to the project, and in previous videos we have created employee component and add employee component. Okay. You can see in the browser. You can see here this is the employee component and this is the add employee component and this is the employee list component. Okay, right. So just open add employee component and here just write some methods, lifecycle methods, which is component did mount, component did update, and component will unmount. All right. So just write one by one methods. Yeah. Here component did mount, and simply write a message here on console.log component did mount. Okay, it's called method is called. All right. In similar way, just write here component did update, component did update. All right, and just write here a message on console.log component did update method is called. All right, and last one, which is component will unmount. So just write here component will unmount, and here also just print console.log component will unmount method is called. All right, now save the file. Here component did mount is executed after the first render only on the client side. All right, and another method which is component did update, which is called just after rendering, and component will unmount, which is called after the component is unmounted from the DOM. So let's see. So switch to the browser, and here make visible the console. So just right click and select inspect element and just click on console. This is the console. Okay, now refresh the page. You can see here component did mount method is called. All right, now If I add any text in this text box, you can see here componentDidUpdate method is called. Alright, second time, third, fourth. If I put here any text here, it's also called componentDidUpdate method. Okay. Now take the componentWillUnmount method. For that, just add a close button in the component. So just go to the app.js file, and here inside the app, just create a button here. Just write here button, and inside the button just write here the close, and not one time. All right, you can see here compiling. You can see here the close button. All right, now create a handler. So just write here handle close is equal to, as the parameter here, add arrow, and then before adding the method, just add here the state property. So just write here form visible by default property, which is true. All right, now inside the handle close method, just write here this dot set state, and inside the set state method, in curly bracket, change the form visible properties value and make it false. All right, now add this handle close method to the button. So here just write on close, on click, and equal to curly bracket, and here just write this dot handle close. All right, now save the file. All right, now add the condition here. So just add here the curly bracket, and just write here this dot state dot form visible. Then if this is the true, then show this component, otherwise show null. Okay, close the curly bracket. Now save the file. Let's check. So switch to the browser, and if I refresh the page, you can see here componentDidUnmount method is called. If I enter any text here, then componentDidUpdate method is called. If I click on close button, you can see here this is removed, and componentDid component that is not called. Check again. Okay, text problem. All right, go to the app.js. Okay, I am doing a mistake here. Just cut from here this condition applied on add employee. Okay, because I have created a method inside the add employee component, not in this component. Okay, that's why it's not working. It was not working. So just write here the condition. If this is a true, then show this component, otherwise null. Now save the file, and okay, now just click on the close button. You can see here componentWillUnmount method is called. Alright. So in this way, you can use React lifecycle methods in React. So that's all about lifecycle methods. Thanks for watching this video, and if you still have any kind of question, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.